vanity light wasn't working on the driver's side. Or the little fucking... I think I fingered it out. Came across this wire here. It was broke. These little female connectors. I got stabbed right into there. Oh, sorry. And then, yeah, I added a little bit of strain relief. I think if I were to do this again, I would go ahead and take and bend these that way to ease in the strain relief, but oh well. Yeah, so I just, fortunately I had, I'll show you. I don't remember where I got this from, but came in handy nonetheless. There's two of these. There's a small one and a big one that was, you know, together, already done. So I ripped off both the small ones and zapped her onto there. Installation. Mark 1. So we got our wire here. And then we got our wire here. We'll plug that wire back in, jam her home, and plug the light back in, and see what happens. Okay. We got this little tab here, and you have to take a screwdriver and pop it down, else it won't release from up in here. Boom, just like that. Take our handy dandy screwdriver. We can get in there. We just figured out Blue's Clues because we're really smart. Oh, but I chipped up my plastic thing. Oh well. Right, we'll throw the light bulb back up in there. We'll test her again. Ah, so cool. See it worky, worky. Yeah. Yep. Worky. Yep. That guy worky. Oh, no worky. Ready? Oh. Come on now. Yeah, just like that. Bam! I guess that might do it. Yeah. Bulb wasn't pushed in all the way, I guess.